Here I have Oppo A1, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So by tapping it once, you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on, you can access some of its settings by going to more. So for example, here you can change your hotspot's name, you can change its password, you can change its security protocol, you can change its IP band, you can hide it, you can hide your hotspot. You can also display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can manage connections, like you can add devices to block list, you can set up device connection limit and data usage limit too. You can use it for Bluetooth tethering, for USB tethering, and for Ethernet tethering. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.